Should you apply for a small personal loan? That depends on how much money you need. If you just need a little bit of money to get you through until your next paycheck, you can use a credit card's grace period or even apply for a credit card with a 0% introductory APR. These choices might cost less than a loan. On the other hand, a personal loan from a bad credit lender like a loans would be a much better choice than a payday loan if you have bad credit and can't get a credit card. If you don't want to open a new card or need more time to pay off the debt, a small personal loan might be a good idea. Most of the time, personal loans have lower APRs than credit cards. If you are having trouble paying off your credit card debt, you can even use a personal loan to pay it off. This is most likely to work if you have good or great credit. Best place to get a small personal loan. Where you should get a personal loan depends on what you need. If you want to borrow $500 or less, a credit union may be your best bet for low interest rates, but many credit unions require you to be a member. Online lenders often have higher minimum loan amounts or higher interest rates for small loans, but they can be a good option if you want a quick and easy process. You could also apply for a small personal loan at your bank if you prefer to do it in person and have a good relationship with them. What is a small personal loan? A small personal loan is usually an installment loan with a fixed interest rate. You get the money all at once and pay it back with fixed monthly payments over a period of 1 or more years. Most small personal loans aren't backed by your savings or anything else, but some can be. These are the best small personal loan you can try out today in 2023. Number 1. OnMain Financial. OnMain Financial offers personal loans that are secured, which means that you can put up collateral to help you get the loan. This collateral, like a car, acts as a guarantee for the loan in case you can't pay it back. This makes it easier to get the loan. From $1,500 to $20,000 can be borrowed, and the interest rates start out pretty high at 18%. Loans can be used for almost anything, and borrowers may get the money as soon as the next business day. OnMain Financial has an origination fee, which is taken out of the total loan amount. The fee could be as much as $500 or 10% of the loan. You may also have to pay late fees, which can cost up to 15% of your monthly payment or $30. Not like most lenders, these fees change from state to state. Overall, OnMain Financial's rates are higher than those of its competitors, but if you've had trouble getting an unsecured loan elsewhere, it could be a good choice for you. Number 2. Upgrade Loan. Upgrade is an online lender that lets people with credit scores as low as 560 get personal loans. With a minimum loan amount of only $1,000, you can borrow small amounts even if your credit is only fair. Loan terms can be anywhere from 24 to 84 months long, giving you options for when and how much you pay back each month. Origination fees are included and range from 1.85% to 8.99%. Interest rates can go as high as 35.99%, which is expensive. But if you don't have the best credit, this is usually what you have to do. With online pre-qualification, Upgrade makes it easy to apply, and you can get the money as soon as the next business day. Overall, Upgrade can offer good terms to people with less than perfect credit. But if you don't have a cosigner, you may get an APR on the higher end of the range. Number 3. Navy Federal Credit Union. Navy Federal's credit union members can get great rates on personal loans. All military members and their families can join the credit union. Loans start at just $250, and there are no fees for getting the loan or paying it back early. The low rates at NFCU make it a good choice for any kind of loan, but it's especially helpful for consolidating high-interest debt and refinancing it to get a lower rate. On some loans, you can get a term of up to 15 years, which makes your monthly payments easy. Like other lenders, Navy Federal charges a higher APR for loans with longer terms, and late payments cost $29 extra. You also need to be a member, but if you are in the military, a veteran, or a family member of either, membership is free. Where can you get small personal loans? You might think it would be easier to borrow a small amount of money than a large one. But financial institutions don't think that way. Taking care of a small personal loan, which is usually between $1,000 and $5,000, can be just as expensive as taking care of a big one, and many banks don't want to deal with it, especially now when interest rates are low and profit margins are razor thin. There are also online lenders, credit unions, and credit cards that you can use.